Question number 1. What is the differences between Windows 7? What is the differences between Windows 7, comma, Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system? And Windows 11 operating system.
Repeat once again, sir.
What is the differences between Windows 7, comma, Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system? And Windows 11 operating system. Okay, and in a bracket added down minimum 5 differences. Minimum 5 differences you need to find out. Okay, in a bracket added down minimum 5 means 5 point. 5 differences minimum. Question number 2. Question number 2, okay, here I am writing because it's something difficult word. Okay, that's okay. That's why. Question number 2, okay, I'm writing here. Differences between Home Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition of Windows OS. Differences between Home Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition of Windows OS. What are the differences between a Home, Professional, and Enterprise Edition? Question number 2 is differences between, okay, as I written here, Home Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition of Windows OS. Question number 3. What is Event Viewer in Windows? What is Event VIEWER Viewer? What is Event Viewer in Windows? Event Viewer क्या है Windows के अंदर? What is Event Viewer VIEWER Viewer? What is Event Viewer in Windows? What is Event Viewer in Windows? The next one question. Next one question. Okay, okay, I'm writing here. Differences between GPT and MBR. Differences between GPT and MBR. And then one more next question. Differences between FAT and NTFS. Guys, today it's a 5 question, right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want answer of all these 5 questions from you. And I will listen on tomorrow. What is the answers you are giving? And one thing, if you are taking help of Google for finding any answers, correct? I'm not denying you can, but I can ask any cross question on it. So that's why don't copy paste only. Try to understand the meaning and word. सिर्फ copy paste मत कर लेना. Just fulfilling the homework. Not like students of a class 8 and 9 and 10. Knowledge required here, right? So what is the answers you will give me now? I can ask any cross question on it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vishwanath, you are right. GPT is UEFI legacy, MBR is legacy. Now tell me, what are the differences between UEFI and legacy? As someone told me right now, okay, who is the name? Vishwanath. Yeah. He's saying, sir, GPT is UEFI mode, MBR is legacy mode. What is the meaning of UEFI mode and legacy mode? What are the differences? Differences क्या है? Just by using the some technical word is not enough, no? What is the meaning the word you are using?
So what is their full form, sir?
Good process.
Tomorrow I will tell you. Now I'm asking to the Vishwanath. Only Vishwanath. What is the meaning of UEFI mode and legacy mode? Don't go for Google.
No. So actually, I don't know exactly what it is.
So why you are saying? From where you have listened this word UEFI mode, legacy mode?
Yeah, in the Windows command, MS Info 32. In two PCs, so that.
Okay, you have seen right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, not an issue. Tomorrow I will tell. But first try to find out the answers. Okay. That's why I'm saying what is the word you will use. Okay, you should have a knowledge about a meaning. अब क्या यूज कर रहे हो पता तो होना चाहिए क्या बोल रहे हो. अब खुद ही नहीं पता क्या बोल रहे हो तो मैं कैसे समझूंगा. Right, as an interviewer, if you means if as an a person, okay, you are giving an interview, if you don't know what are you saying, how would I understand? Correct. Means you should have a clear understanding on your own mind. What are the word you are using? Okay, so that's why, okay, on tomorrow, what will I, okay, because today is a first day, that's why I'm not giving any topic to you. Okay, I'm just giving a understanding on what actually we are going to perform. Correct. So first of all, I will give you about a DSAP server on tomorrow class. Okay, first of all, I will listen your doubts on these topics, on these questions, and we'll clear it. And then we'll give you a class on a DSAP server with practical on a DSAP, how to do, what to do. Okay, so for tomorrow, our topic will be DSAP server, their configuration, installation, their output, their DSAP having a reservation, these all things tomorrow we will discuss. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question, sir, I want to ask, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, could you please explain, sir, what is the, what is the drivers and if you can explain what is drivers in our system, what is the use of the drivers? If we have to
Okay, see.
explain it to somebody.
Yeah.
In
I can
simple language.
explain. I can explain. See, just assume there is a vehicle.
Yes, sir.
A vehicle is a computer. Correct.
Yes, sir.
A vehicle having a, you can say, tire, seats, engines, a lot of things. Like a system having a mouse, keyboard, screen, motherboard like an engine, like that. The person, if you want to use a vehicle, you should know how to drive. There is a driver needed, right?
Yes, sir.
For running a bike, car, aeroplane, there is a, we are calling pilot. but a person doing same thing, na? Driving the particular vehicle. Like same thing in a Windows operating system, means in a system, not a Windows, in our system, we have everything. We have a lot of assets, hardware. Who will run it? Need a driver,
Okay.
right? So for example, I'm using keyboard. So in my PC, there should be a driver for keyboard. If the driver is not installed, so the keyboard, okay, if the driver for keyboard is not installed in my PC, means the keyboard is useless for me. It will not detect. It will not work. You can check. We have a device manager, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm operating through a shortcut command. Okay, you can go through a control. Okay, this is okay device manager, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are seeing there is a driver for keyboard, right? HD,
Yes.
this one.
Okay. This is the driver for keyboard.
Keyboard. If the keyboard is not okay, now okay, try to understand. If this keyboard is not present, keyboard present now.
Okay.
Keyboard what is not written here means
The driver of keyboard is
keyboard
not
driver is
installed.
not present. Means I can't use a keyboard. First, I need to install a driver of keyboard. Like you're seeing, I'm able to use this one. Okay, correct. I'm through a desktop right now. मैं आपको desktop से classes दे रहा हूँ. Correct. So I'm using a network. So there is a driver for a network adapter.
Okay.
Okay, I am able to access internet in my VMware because there is a VMware driver is present. See, I am able to access internet inside my VirtualBox software because there is a VirtualBox driver is present.
Okay.
Means driver basically will help you to run something, some hardware. Without driver, hardware is like a useless. Like if you don't know how to ride a bike, okay, you purchase a KTM RC390. Can you ride
No,
it?
sir. No, sir.
Never.
Yes.
Like same thing in a system, driver work like a normal driver. Will help you to run the hardware.
And for your hardware to be operational, you need the driver in on your
Yes,
system.
definitely. For everything you are seeing driver.
Yes.
Audio input or for audio output, audio computer driver, disk driver. I'm using hard disk. There's a driver. See, hard disk driver. Display driver. Okay, there's a display driver.
Okay. So, sir,
Yes,
these are also programmed as per the means our operating system type. Mean like it's a 32-bit or 64-bit.
Yes, definitely. The driver is going to adjust according to that.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, we can tell that it's a software, sir.
It's a program.
It's a program. Okay. Okay.
Driver is the program which help us to run our hardware.
Yes, sir.
And if we want to make our hardware will be operational, we need a driver.
Okay, sir.
And these will be installed when our operating system will be installed.
Yes,
correct?
most drivers are installed. Some driver are means it's happening that all the drivers are installed.
Okay.
If you are installing the operating system, so with OS driver is attached. Because I hope you remember someone here who have used Windows XP. Anyone here who used the Windows XP, Windows Vista, 95 Windows, 98 Windows.
Yes, sir.
So
Windows
what's
XP
happening
we
now?
have worked on.
On that Windows, okay, I'm saying you what